Pinduli, told by Stella Luna, retold by Arianna. 3 dogs came to Pinduli and made fun of her large ears. A lion came, so she was scared and she tried to scare him away, but he made fun of her. Pinduli decided to go into the water. A zebra sees her in the water. She tries to get away from her, so she gets out of the water. Pinduli decided to roll in pale dust, and she was soon white. The other animals saw her and thought she was a ghost. They ran away. Will they apologize, or will they make more fun of her? Come to Hoover Library to find out.